In this quick guide, I'll show you how to apply audio effects in Descript, making your audio editing process smoother and more professional. Whether you're just getting started or you're looking to improve your workflow, I'll break it down in simple steps so you can start applying audio effects like a pro. Now, Descript is a powerful tool that gives you the ability to edit audio just like a word processor, but it also offers a variety of audio effects to enhance your sound. If you're new to the software, don't worry, I'll walk you through it. First things first, open your project in Descript. Once you have your audio file ready, you'll see your waveform on the screen. Descript makes it easy to apply audio effects by using its multi-track editor. To get started, click on your track, and on the right panel, you'll notice the Effects tab. Clicking on this will open up all the audio effects you can use. One of the most basic but essential effects is the equalizer, or EQ. EQ allows you to adjust the bass, mid, and treble frequencies to fit the tone you're going for. If you want a deeper sound, or to remove some of the muddiness from a recording, this is a great tool to start with. You'll see preset options for voice, music, or custom, and you can tweak each frequency band until you find a sound you're happy with. Next, let's talk about the compressor. If your audio has a lot of variation in volume, you'll want to apply a compressor. It automatically adjusts the volume, bringing up the quieter parts and toning down the louder sections. This ensures your audio sounds consistent and professional without any sudden spikes or dips. You can also use the noise reduction effect to clean up any background noise. This is especially useful if you're recording in less than ideal environments. Simply select the part of the track where you don't want any audio, and Descript will use its algorithm to filter out any unwanted sounds like hums, hisses, or static. If you're looking to enhance your voice recordings, the de-esser is a great tool. It targets those sharp S sounds that can sometimes be distracting in a recording. By applying a de-esser, you can smooth out the sharpness and make the audio more pleasant to listen to. Another cool effect is the reverb, which adds depth to your audio by simulating sound reflections. It's great if you want to give your recording a more spacious or professional studio feel. Play around with the intensity until you get the desired effect. Lastly, for any audio project, it's crucial to check your levels. Descript makes it easy by showing you the waveform in real time. If the levels are too high or too low, you can apply an effect like gain to adjust the overall volume of your track. Now, if you want to explore all of these features and more, you can use Descript completely for free. Yes, that's right. Check out the link below for an exclusive trial, plus some added bonuses that'll help you maximize your editing potential. By the way, stick around till the end because I've got an extended free trial waiting for you that gives you access to even more tools in Descript, so you can take your audio editing to the next level. There you have it. Applying audio effects in Descript is simple but powerful, and with these tips, you're on your way to creating pro-quality audio. Be sure to check the first link in the description for your exclusive bonus trial and start editing like a pro today.